Looking for Poly B Plumbing in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know outdated Poly B pipes can lead to leaks, water damage, and expensive repairs. Our expert Poly B Plumbing services in Strathcona County provide thorough inspections, targeted repairs, and full replacements to keep your home safe. Whether you're dealing with a small leak or need a complete system upgrade, our licensed team delivers fast, reliable solutions. In Strathcona County, many homes still have aging Poly B pipes, which can fail unexpectedly. That's why we offer efficient, long-lasting solutions tailored to your needs. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert Poly B plumbing services. Keep watching to see why homeowners choose us, or call today to schedule your service.